happy birthday!
Wish ko sa'yo, sana magkaroon kayo ng baby.
Wish ko sa'yo, matuloy yung pagiging pastor mo. Keep the fire burning. Happy birthday.
Love you.
We love you.
Babay na.
Bye.
Bilang na, bilang. Bilang. 1,
2, 3!
Ayun na. Yan na.
Okay.
Ayun na.
Okay, hello Glenn. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Glenn.
Happy birthday.
Hindi ka yung kambal mo. Yan kayo dyan ni Lali. Happy birthday.
Pray hard. Palagi ka lang magdasal.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you sa December.
Totoo ba? Uwi ka. Balita ko, ayaw kapayagan ng boss mo. Okay.
Happy birthday, Glenn. Thank you sa binibili mo tayo sa akin at shoes. Shoes?
Happy birthday, Glenn. Thank you sa assistant, tsaka sa lahat. See you soon. See you sa Christmas and sa birthday ni Glenn. Happiest birthday. Love you. Ikaw.
Love you too.
Bye-bye. Ganun.
Hello Glenn. Happy birthday. Nantan ka na. Sana nandito ka para mas masaya ang birthday mo. Nakakamiss na. I miss you. Lali, hi. Hello din.
You say it's your birthday.
Ingat kayo dyan lagi ni
It's
Lali.
my birthday too, yeah. You say it's your birthday.
May baby na.
We're gonna have a good time. I'm glad it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ah, Brad, basta. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Huwag ka nang umiyak. Iyakin ka pa naman. Pero mag-alala dito sa bahay, okay lang kami. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Ingat, Jams. Aba.
Hi, Glenn. Happy birthday, wow.
Happy birthday, Glenn! God bless!
Happy birthday.
Anak, happy birthday, Glenn. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you, anak. Happy birthday sa iyo. Wish you good health and more blessing to come. Love you so much. Mami Leia to. We are in Boracay. Love you, love you. Miss you all. Miss you. Miss you so much. Tulog pa sila ate. Bumaba ako para mag-video para sa birthday mo. Love you. Good health and more blessing. Happy birthday again. Love you again. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Chup, chup. Mwah.